please can you tell me what your name is?
My name is Petzoldt.
And your job title and company?
I'm working with Fraunhofer Bremen. I'm a deputy director and the head of Department Powder Technology.
As chairperson of the World PM2016 Technical Programme Committee, how is the standard of papers for World PM2016?
I have to say, what I saw is really a world-class standard, which we can expect for the presentations, as we can see it from the abstracts right now.
Do you have any positive comments about the abstracts submitted on a whole?
Oh, it's really a very high standard in some of the areas. I can mention the metal injection molding, the powder injection molding activities, where we see really a very strong activity and very high ranked papers and posters. And as well in the additive manufacturing area, we see also a lot of very interesting papers.
Do you have any additional comments on the PIM abstracts?
On the PIM abstracts, okay, we see it's a clear interest in titanium especially, and there's also one other new application area in aerospace materials, that means high temperature materials.
And what are you looking forward to about this year's event?
Oh, this year's event is for me a very special event, actually. You know, this is, after 30 years, the first time the World Congress comes back to Germany, and actually 1986 was my first World Congress in Düsseldorf.
And what have World PM2016 delegates got to look forward to?
Oh, they have to look forward for a real world-class event here in Hamburg, as Hamburg is a very nice city on the one hand side, and on the other hand side we have also expect a nice program here, a very well interesting technical program, as well as also the social program around the Congress.
What are you looking forward to seeing in Hamburg as a location?
Well, as I'm not a local from Hamburg, but I'm quite frequent in Hamburg, I know all the touristic sites, but I always like to see the harbor and all the surrounding here in this really nice city of Hamburg.
Are you looking forward to any of the planned social events, the gala dinner or the evening reception?
So I'm looking forward to the boat tour on the harbor, which will be really nice. I know that personally, how it works, and I enjoy it all the time.
As co-chairman of EPMA's European Metal Injection Moulding Group, can you explain a bit about the group?
So yes, of course, the EuroMIM Group is a group having more or less three tasks. One is to develop the technology further on with some projects, and the other is to network with the international community. And third, I would say, it's always important to market the technology, to expand the market for MIM.
Can you explain some of your aims and objectives?
So it's more or less what I said already. The aim is clear. We want to compete with the other technologies, and MIM shall win more market shares.
And have you got any current upcoming projects or activities?
So upcoming projects, well, this is always a tricky thing to talk about upcoming projects. So we want to improve the quality of the MIM parts, so reduce the number of rejects. This is one task, and there have to be non-destructive testing methods and other things to be improved, and along the whole process chain, each and every step looked into details.